Aharisha munana zihangwe abantu munana barimo abakazi bashatu hamwe n'abasheija batano bareta omukoti idara ryo kubanza omuri Banda kandi abana bakwasirwa bwanyuma yo kuteekateekwaho kwita omupoliisi Sulaiman Chemongesi. Omuramuzi w'idara ryo kubanza Worship Edith Tushabe niwe yayebembera omushango ogu kandi babanza kushomerwa emishango yaabo.
Sebo muri Banda na nekigendererwa mukenda mateka kita nambashaje n'itara mwenda siro isije Chemongesi Sulaiman.
Abari amushango ogu harimu Mwezi Gaston ow'emyaka 27, Mwezi Gesa Mukikuringwa ow'emyaka 53, Arnito Alfred Mabere ow'emyaka 43, Atuheire Christine ow'emyaka 37, Nuwatwa Aren ow'emyaka 23, Ahembisibwe Alex ow'emyaka 18, Komugisha Christine ow'emyaka 19 hamwe na Katunja Byron ow'emyaka 29.
Matter is for communication of the child. That you will not take play because it is child, it is a kind of offense which is started by the High Court.
Bitu bamwe bagumiza muno kuhereza y'uburemezo bine ahamagara gabo bakoreka ngo nibetaga umushaho.
You should apply then for bail on medical grounds, and you are supposed to apply in the High Court, which has the jurisdiction to hear the matter.
Na uche ya jero kayose kandi umuyobozi tugara mazugana bakabiri so tusaba tutegereje.
We have one prison where we remand and I believe it is there in safe. You will be in safe custody. Any issue, and if you say that there is, which is where the problem came from, the prisons should have explained, and you should be conversant with what they explained. But if you get any complaint from there or any issue from there, you'll bring it to the notice of court when you come back.
Aba nabo garuka mu kota byo kwezi 29 byo kwezo ku gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.